God is saying to you today that He is doing something with you that has never been done before in history. You only need to keep up the good work. You ought to focus solely on yourself and your goals. Give up worrying about what other people think of you. Never waste time explaining and convincing them how much you appreciate them. You should never have to please me nor anybody, because you should know that I always have faith in you. Give yourself credit for pushing yourself to keep moving forward even when you felt like giving up. I gave you the ability and blessed you with a gift to bless others. Never give anyone the power to make you unhappy or consume your day. What matters most is that you are surrounded by people who truly love and accept you for who you are. What you did in the past is not what defines the person you are now. Never let your mistakes in the past identify you. People evolved, seasons changed. Growth always begins underneath you and is followed by your genuine actions. I want you to stop pleasing people who only use or take advantage of you. Love is unconditional giving. Never allow yourself to be shaped simply because you are accustomed to having people around you. Allow them to go if they chose a different path. I assure you that your path will only improve over time. It's where you are meant to be. It's where you are destined at. You understand yourself better than anyone else. Allow your success to be your voice. Allow them to believe you are losing, although you are winning. Your thoughts and actions are guided by your brain. It all holds the secrets of the universe. So keep your intentions in sync with your actions. There is a hidden world within each of us that only needs to be deciphered. Everything is on its way to you. If you have the moves, you've got the magic. Stay strong, and everything will turn out perfectly fine.